Welcome to all. My name is Mr. B. Soundarajan from Amarnaathh Engineering, Coimbatore. I am the managing director of this company. I am very proud to say that we are in the medical textiles and spinning textiles and yarn manufacturing department.
The Blowroom is the first stage of the textile manufacturing process, focused on opening, cleaning, and blending raw fibers. Raw fibers in bales are introduced and processed sequentially through multiple machines designed for efficient material handling. The mixing bale opener extracts fibers from compact bales, loosens them, and ensures a consistent blend for subsequent processing. Fibers are prepared and smoothly delivered to downstream systems. Key features include variable speed drives for adjustable handling rates and intelligent control systems for optimized mixing.
Fibers are manually loaded in the blowroom feeding machine.
The chute feed system transitions opened fibers to the carding machine. Fibers are manually loaded and controlled using an apron system, ensuring an even and consistent supply. The carding process fully opens, individualizes, and aligns fibers into a uniform web, which is then condensed into slivers for further processing. Modern carding machines feature variable cylinder speeds for fine-tuning fiber alignment and integrated quality monitoring for real-time oversight of material quality.
Coiler and sliver making machine converts the fiber web into slivers with consistent thickness and quality. Ensures uniformity in the sliver, critical for downstream spinning processes. Prepares the slivers for transportation and use in various textile manufacturing applications.
Get your high-standard yarn manufacturing machines with Amarnaathh Engineering.